Alright, listen up, future coding pro. Ever wonder how to really excel when you're using some AI code assistants like Copilot or Gemini Code Assist? It's not just about hitting generate. You see, strong programming fundamentals are your superpower. Here's what you'll need. Data structures and algorithms let you instantly tell if that AI-generated code is actually efficient or just, well, code. You become the quality control. Object-oriented programming helps you build scalable, organized projects, and AI can then help you enhance those perfectly structured systems. Debugging, AI can write code, but you're the sharp mind who finds and fixes those tricky bugs, turning complex problems into solvable puzzles. So don't just use AI. Master the foundations and become the architect of brilliant code. That's how you go from a user to a true master of AI-powered development. What programming fundamental do you think is most important for today's AI-assisted coding? Share your thoughts below.